Hey guys, are you hesitant to make phone calls?
No rain.
This is Naren conquering communication with you all. Imagine if you were in business around 50 years ago and you wanted to make new phone calls to new customers. You know what you had to do? Pick this phone up, get a big yellow pages diary like this, go through numbers and dial. Can you imagine the pain and the time it took? But now we're living in an era of the cell phone. One click, Google, you get 10 numbers and you can make phone calls. So why are we hesitant in communication when it comes to business and making more phone calls? Let's stop hesitating and start communicating, because we're playing in a totally different field and the effort is so much less than it would be just 50 years ago. We're so lucky. Much love. I'll see you guys in my next video.